Are your car headlights looking cloudy, yellowed, or dim? A headlight restoration kit can solve this problem fast and easily. In this video, we'll go over 5 of the best headlight restoration kits on the market. Whether you're dealing with haze or just want to restore your headlights to their original shine, these kits will have you covered. Let's dive into the details of each product and see what makes them stand out. Stay tuned as we review Sylvania 38708, Miguiars G2970, 3M 39008, Cerakote 22000, and Turtle Wax T240 KT. Kicking off our list at number 1, Sylvania 38708. The Sylvania 38708 Headlight Restoration Kit is a popular choice among car owners for its easy-to-use features and impressive results. Designed to restore your headlights to their clear, bright, and functional condition, this kit provides everything you need to get the job done. With the trusted Sylvania brand behind it, this kit aims to save you money by restoring your headlights instead of replacing them entirely. Key features: the kit includes a fast-acting cleaner, sandpaper for leveling and smoothing, a polishing compound, and a UV sealant to protect your headlights after restoration. What sets it apart is its unique UV coating that helps to maintain the results longer by preventing further oxidation and yellowing. The kit is designed to work on both plastic and glass headlights, making it versatile and effective for a wide range of vehicles. Benefits and usage: the Sylvania 38708 kit is particularly beneficial for those who are looking for a simple, step-by-step solution to restore their headlights. It's an excellent choice for people who have just a little fogging or haziness in their headlights, and it effectively removes oxidation, restoring your headlights' brightness. The easy-to-follow instructions make the process quick, allowing you to see results in under an hour. Usability: this kit is user-friendly and doesn't require professional experience. It comes with clear instructions, making it easy for anyone to apply, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want to improve the appearance and function of your headlights without the hassle. The products in the kit are well-marked and simple to use, even for beginners. Durability: the durability of the results depends on how well you maintain your headlights after the restoration. The UV sealant included in the kit offers protection against the elements, helping the results to last for a few months. However, frequent exposure to the sun and harsh weather can shorten the longevity, so regular cleaning and care are recommended to maintain the restored appearance. In the second spot, we have Miguars G2970. Meguiar's G2970 Headlight Restoration Kit is a trusted option for those looking to improve the clarity and functionality of their vehicle's headlights. Known for its automotive care products, Meguiar's offers a comprehensive solution to tackle yellowing, oxidation, and haze that often occur over time. This kit promises to restore headlights to their original condition, enhancing both appearance and safety. Key features: the Meguiar's G2970 kit includes everything you need: a sanding pad, polishing compound, and a specialized plastic cleaner to restore the surface. One standout feature is the included restoration wipes that make application easier, faster, and more precise. Additionally, the kit features a durable sealant that not only protects the headlights, but also prevents them from re-yellowing or oxidizing over time. Benefits and usage: one of the main benefits of Meguiar's G2970 is the efficiency with which it restores headlights. If you're dealing with headlights that are heavily oxidized or cloudy, this kit can deliver impressive results in no time. The kit's design makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles and works on headlights that have been exposed to harsh weather conditions, effectively removing yellowing and restoring brightness. Usability: Meguiar's kit is extremely easy to use, even for those who may not have used a headlight restoration kit before. The wipes and sanding pad ensure you won't have to deal with the mess typically associated with these types of products. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions, and you'll have your headlights looking brand new in a short amount of time. Durability: the protective sealant provided in the kit ensures that your headlights stay clear for an extended period. After restoring the clarity of your headlights, the long-lasting protection helps prevent future oxidation, keeping your headlights in good condition for several months before you need to reapply. Coming in at number 3 is the 3M 39008. 3M is a renowned brand in the automotive industry, known for creating high-quality products that deliver professional results. The 3M 39008 Headlight Lens Restoration System is an all-in-one solution designed for those looking for high-quality restoration of their vehicle's headlights. It's particularly popular for its professional-grade results and ease of use, making it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts. Key features: the 3M 39008 kit features a 3-step restoration process. It includes an abrasive pad for sanding the lens, a polishing compound to buff the surface, and a sealant to protect the lens from UV damage. The unique feature of this kit is its ability to work on both heavily oxidized and slightly hazy headlights, making it versatile. The sandpaper is designed to remove deeper layers of oxidation, while the polish restores the clarity. Benefits and usage: this kit offers professional quality restoration results for car owners who need to restore their headlights to their original clear, bright state. It's highly effective for headlights with heavy discoloration, offering quick and long-lasting results. The 3M system works well on both plastic and polycarbonate lenses, making it adaptable for various vehicles. Usability: the 3M 39008 kit is easy to use, with the included instructions breaking down each step clearly. The sanding pad and polishing compound are easy to apply, ensuring that you don't need professional expertise to achieve great results. However, the process may take a bit more time than other kits, as the sanding process involves multiple steps to fully restore the headlights. Durability: the 3M 39008 kit provides lasting results with its protective UV coating, ensuring that the headlights remain clear for a long time. The restoration process helps to prevent further oxidation, and the final layer of protection offers a durable finish, keeping your headlights in good shape even through tough weather conditions. However, like all restoration kits, the longevity of the results will depend on how well you maintain the headlights afterward. Taking our 4th spot is Cerakote 22000. The Cerakote 22000 Headlight Restoration Kit is a premium product that's designed for those who want a high-end solution for headlight restoration. Known for its protective coatings used in various industries, Cerakote offers a professional-grade solution that promises outstanding results. This kit focuses on restoring clarity and ensuring that the headlights stay protected from future damage. Key features: the Cerakote 22000 kit comes with an abrasive pad, polishing compound, and a special Cerakote UV-resistant protective coating. The most distinctive feature of this kit is its Cerakote technology, which is used to coat various surfaces with long-lasting protection against UV rays, oxidation, and yellowing. This makes the kit especially durable, offering more protection compared to traditional kits. Benefits and usage: the Cerakote 22000 kit works on a variety of vehicles and is particularly effective for headlights that suffer from severe yellowing or haze. It restores the clarity of your headlights and protects them from further damage. The Cerakote coating provides a high level of protection against harsh environmental conditions, making it ideal for those who live in areas with intense sun exposure or harsh weather. Usability: this kit is easy to use, with all the necessary tools included for a smooth restoration process. However, because of its professional-grade nature, it might take a little more time to apply than other kits. The instructions are clear, and the process involves multiple stages, but it's still manageable for a DIY enthusiast looking for long-lasting results. Durability: the Cerakote 22000 kit stands out for its exceptional durability. The UV-resistant coating helps to prevent future oxidation, ensuring your headlights remain clear for months. It provides some of the best long-term protection available in the market, making it perfect for those looking to invest in a kit that offers the highest level of protection. And finally, at number 5, we have Turtle Wax T240 KT. The Turtle Wax T240 KT Headlight Lens Restorer Kit is a solid, budget-friendly option for those looking to restore their headlights. Turtle Wax is a trusted name in automotive care, and this kit offers a complete solution to remove cloudiness, yellowing, and haziness from your vehicle's headlights. The easy-to-use kit offers impressive results without breaking the bank. Key features: this kit comes with a polishing compound, abrasive pads, and a UV sealant to protect your headlights after restoration. The standout feature of the Turtle Wax T240 240 KT is its affordable price point, making it one of the best options for budget-conscious consumers. Despite its affordability, it provides effective results that can restore headlights to their original brightness. Benefits and usage. The Turtle Wax T240 KT is ideal for those who want to restore their headlights on a budget. It works well on headlights with mild to moderate yellowing or haze, and it's easy to apply. The polishing compound removes oxidation and restores clarity, while the UV sealant ensures that your headlights stay protected for a reasonable amount of time. Usability. The Turtle Wax Kit is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. The included sanding pads and polish are easy to use, and the instructions are simple to follow. The kit doesn't require a lot of time or effort, making it perfect for those who need a quick and effective headlight restoration solution. Durability. While the Turtle Wax T240 KT provides good short-term protection, its durability may not be as long-lasting as more expensive kits. The UV sealant offers adequate protection for a few months, but it may require reapplication sooner than premium options. Still, for the price, it offers excellent value and is a great option for those looking for a quick fix. In conclusion, choosing the best headlight restoration kit depends on your needs, budget, and the condition of your headlights. Whether you're looking for a premium solution like the Cerakote 22000 or a budget-friendly option like the Turtle Wax T240 KT, these 5 kits deliver excellent results. Restoring your headlights not only improves your car's appearance, but also increases driving safety. No more dim or hazy headlights. Choose the kit that works best for you and enjoy clearer, brighter headlights in no time.